हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे।
नागपत्न्या ऊचुः न्यायो हि दण्ड कृतकिल्बिषेऽस्मिन् तवावतार कलनिग्रहाय रिपोसुतानामपि तुल्यदृष्टिर्दत्से तमं फलमेवानुशंसन् अनुग्रहोऽयं भवतः कृतो हि नो दण्डो सतां ते खलु कल्मषापः यद्दन्दशूकत्वममुष्य देहिनः क्रोधोऽपि ते अनुग्रह एव सम्मतः तपस्सु तप्तं किमनेन पूर्वं निरस्तमानेन च मानदेन धर्मोत्थवा सर्वजनानुकम्पया यतो भवां स्तुष्यति सर्वजीवः कस्यानुभावोऽस्य न देव विद्महे तवाङ्घ्रिरेणुस्पर्शाधिकारः यद्वाञ्छया श्रीर्ललनाचरत्तपो विहाय कामान् सुचिरं धृतव्रता न नाकपृष्ठं न च सार्वभौमं न पारमेष्ट्यं न रसाधिपत्यं न योगसिद्धिरपुनर्भवं वा वाञ्छन्ति यत्पादरजप्रपन्ना तदेशनाथापदुरापमन्ये स्तमोजनी क्रोधवशोऽप्यईशः संसारचक्रे भ्रमतः शरीरिणो यदिच्छत स्याद्विभवः समक्षः नमस्तुभ्यं भगवते पुरुषाय महात्मने भूतावासाय भूताय पराय परमात्मने विज्ञाननिधये ब्रह्मणे अनन्तशक्तिः अगुणाय विकाराय नमस्ते प्राकृताय च कालाय कालनाभाय कालावयवसाक्षिणे विश्वाय तदुपद्रष्टे द्रष्ट्रे तत्कर्त्रे विश्वहेतवे भूतमातेन्द्रियप्राणमनोबुद्ध्याशयात्मने त्रिगुणेनाभिमानेन गूढस्वात्मानुभूतये नमो अनन्ताय सूक्ष्माय कूटस्थाय विपश्चिते नानावादानुरोधाय वाच्यवाचकशक्तये नमः प्रमाणमूलाय कवये शास्त्रयोनये प्रवृत्ताय निवृत्ताय निगमाय नमो नमः नमः कृष्णाय रामाय वसुदेवसुताय च प्रद्युम्नाय निरुद्धाय सात्वतां पतये नमः नमो गुणप्रदीपाय गुणात्मच्छादनाय च गुणवृत्त्युपलक्ष्याय गुणद्रष्टे स्वसंविदे अव्याकृतविहाराय सर्वव्याकृतसिद्धये ऋषिकेश नमस्तेस्तु मुनये मौनशालीने परावरगतिज्ञाय सर्वाध्यक्षाय ते नमः अविश्वाय च विश्वाय तद्द्रष्ट्रेऽस्य च हेतवे त्वं ह्यस्य जन्म स्थिति संयमान् विभो गुणैरनीहो कृतकालशक्तिदृक् तदत्स्वभावान् प्रतिबोधयन् सतः समीक्षया मोदविहारैहसे तस्यैव ते मोस्तनवस्त्रिलोक्यां शान्ता अशान्ता उत मूढयोनय शान्ता प्रियास्ते ह्यधुना वितुं सतां तथा स्थातुश्च ते धर्मपरिसये हतः अपराधसुकृद्भर्त्रा सोढव्य स्वप्रजाकृतः क्षन्तुमर्हसि शान्तात्मन् मूढस्य त्वामजानतः अनुगृह्णीष्व भगवन् प्राणां त्यजति पन्नगः स्त्रीणां न साधुशोच्यानां पतिप्राणप्रदीयतां विदेहि ते किङ्करीणाम् अनुष्ठेयं तवाज्ञया यच्छ्रद्धयानुतिष्ठन् वै मुच्यते सर्वतो भयात्।
Radhe Krishna, super reading so well. मजा आ गया. It was so beautiful to hear. Well done. Hmm. If you worship this Krishna, muchyate sarvato bhayat. Only abhayam remains. There is no fear of anything. Everything is available in plenty. No fear of not getting something, whether it is material blessing, spiritual blessing. Everything is given. Therefore, sarvato bhayat muchyate videhi. Please give us a kainkariam. All these Nagapatnis, because of the way Kaliya was bringing each head and the way Krishna was dancing on that, it was beautiful sight, Kaliya Narthana. But Kaliya was feeling the pain. Kshina Yusho Brahmata Ulbhana Masyato Srikhe. Therefore, all these Nagapatnis have come. They are worshipping this Kaliya Narthana Krishna. And they are saying, what you have done. Kshina Yusho, he is almost dying. This Kaliya is almost gone. So he's saying, this danda, this punishment that you have given him, it may have been a beautiful darshanam for other people, but for Kaliya it was a punishment. So, Nyaya, it is appropriate because your avataram is for that, to take care of sadhus, paritranaya sadhuna, vinashaya cha dushkritam. But we want to do one worship, one small request. Whatever you do, we consider anugraha only. Anugrohoyam bhavata krito hino. You have done anugraha to Kaliya only. That is why he was able to feel your feet on every one of his heads. How much tapas people would have to do to even have darshanam of your feet, to even touch the dust from your feet. And this Kaliya, he must have done many tapas. We are lucky that we got married to him. All the Nagapatnis are saying, because even Sri Devi, she is wondering when she will have the opportunity to touch the dust from your feet. Yet vanchaya Sri Lalana Charatapah Vihaya Kaman. She dropped all other desires and only desired to get the dust of your feet. Now this Kaliya is so lucky, you have blessed him with your feet touching every one of his heads. He must have done some great tapas. We don't know what kind of tapas, what kind of surat he did. Sutaptam kimanena purvam. Kimanena, I don't know. All the Patnis are saying, all we know is that he is very lucky. We are very lucky to be with him because we can now embrace the husband who has embraced you. That is our blessing. Because people who are your devotees, they do not desire anything else. They don't desire Nakaprishtham. Nakaprishtham means going to heaven. They don't desire that. Sarvabhaumam. Sarvabhaumam means being able to rule. Rule what? Some big kingdom. Bhupati. Even that they don't want. Na parameshtham. They don't want to be in Satyaloka with Brahma, enjoying the lifetime of Brahma. They don't want that. Na rasadhipatyam. What about Patala Lokas? There the pleasures are so much greater than heaven. They don't want that also. What about Yoga Siddhi? No, they don't want Yoga Siddhi also. What about becoming one with the Paramatma Swarupa, Jivatma Paramatma Aikya? No, they don't want. Apunarbhavam va vanchanti na yat padaraja prapannaha. Once they have tasted the amrita of the nectar from your feet, once they have had the opportunity to feel the dust from your feet touching them, all these other things which may have appeared to be great wealth, for them has become rajas, tuchha. Tadeshanath. This particular Ahisha, Ahisha means, Ahi means snake, Isha means Lord, Lord of the snakes, Kaliya, Ahisha. He is in his swabhava. His swabhava is to have krodha. Because that's how all the people who are occupying bodies are. Samsara chakre brahmata sharirino. You are the one who is beyond that. And the only way for us to go beyond this samsara chakra is by doing namaskara to you. Namastubhyam bhagavate purushaya mahatmane bhutavasaya bhutaya paraya paramatmane. Even though you are the foundation for all these jivas and all the lokas that these jivas inhabit, but you are beyond all that. Because you are jnana, you are vijnana, you are the knowledge, you are the experience. Brahmane ananta shaktaye. You are Parabrahma Swarupa. There is nothing that can limit your power. Namaste aprakritaya cha. Aprakrita. Aprakrita Divya Mangala Swarupa. We have had that darshana. So we are blessed. So we are not worried about all the kala. Kalaya, kalanabhaya, kala avayava sakshine. We don't mind. Because we have understood that even though you have created the world, even though you are the source for this world, even though you are the support for this world, but you are upadrashtre tat upadrashtre vishwaya tat upadrashtre tat kartre. Who can understand your sukshma? Even though at one level you are ananta, you are bigger than everything big, you are smaller than everything small. Because as a concept, it is so impossible to capture you. So you are that sukshma. But in terms of transcending time and the world and all the gunas, you are ananta. So you are both namo anantaya sukshmaya. Even the words that we are offering as worship, those words, they get meaning because of your sankalpa, because of your power. Therefore, vachya vachaka shaktaye. It's not like we are so smart, we have offered some worship in some nice verses. You are the ones you are the person who is providing the energy, the power, the inspiration for the meaning of these words. Ramakrishnaya Ramaya. This particular snake, this Ahisha, he has done aparadha because he has made all this area so poisonous, we understand. But you, because you have this quality that you can bear everything, Saha, Sahishnu. Therefore, aparadha sakrit bharta sodavyaka. Please forgive this. Kshantumarhasi. Kshantumarhasi. Because for us, no, our husband is our prana. His prana is in danger. Therefore, he is suffering. For us, our husband is the prana. So we are suffering. So we are thinking that your darshanam is amoga. Okay. Your darshanam is amoga. Your leela is amoga. And we have seen that samikshaya amoga vihara ihase. You can do everything. You can make all these swabhavas work. You can make all these jivas work just by your kataksha. Samikshaya. And whatever you do, all your leelas are amoga. Amoga vikara. Therefore, we think we have got this darshanam of Kali and Nartana, so it must be amoga for us also. What is amoga for us is that our husband's life be spared. Anugrihishva Bhagavan Pranans Tyajati Pannagaha. If he doesn't get your grace, he is going to lose his life. So, please give us that kainkarya. What kainkarya? What kainkarya they are asking? Videhite kinkarinam. Kinkarinam. We don't want to do worship to you without our husband. We want to worship you as husband and wife doing worship to your feet. That kind of kainkaryam you give us. This is how the Nagapatnis are asking. They also have great jnana vijnana. They have great experience. And they have asked, They have asked, give us Kaikarya. We want to do puja. We want to do puja to this Kaliya Nartana Krishna, but we don't want to do it without Kaliya. And this Kaliya is in danger of losing his life now. So please give us the blessing of being able to do Kainkaryam to you.